Bullish CHILIZ, CHZ, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.609139 and $1.15 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $0.473775 by 2025. Bearish CHILIZ market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.108291. CHILIZ, CHZ, presentation. CHILIZ gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered an exclusive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, socios.com. CHILIZ has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer-in-chief of CHILIZ. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Preceding sending off CHILIZ, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chilipoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to disturb the customary games industry. Since its send-off, socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage, fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their number one clubs through socios.com's web-based business store. What is CHILIZ, CHZ? The CHILIZ stage was made fully intent on furnishing fans with a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices, and furthermore offers prizes for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Socios stage is right now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It additionally offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. CHILIZ, CHZ key examination. CHILIZ is a digital money zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind CHILIZ is socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the CHILIZ coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise considers quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the CHILIZ coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility 4 of the exchange on the socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Also, as additional individuals utilize the socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Associations. The CHILIZ group has organizations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Saint-Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Augusperts, Galatasaray SK, and some more. CHILIZ, CHZ, current cost. CHILIZ is right now worth $0.135361 United States dollars. CHZ has moved 0.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $64,553,954. CHILIZ is right now position 56 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $900,998,197 United States dollars. Using the overall strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for CHILIZ, CHZ. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant CHILIZ, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2023. CHILIZ, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. CHZ. The CHZ cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.203042. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.189506 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.162434. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, CHILIZ CHZ cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.338403. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.270723 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.297795. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.473764 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.433156 and a low of $0.406084 in 2025. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that CHILIZ effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.609126 with a base cost of $0.541445 and a typical cost of $0.568517. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.703879 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.676806 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of $0.744487. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the